went 3, 4, 3, 7. Wait, we're in Tower 3, which we've never been in before.
We don't need this film going to our...
Okay, this way.
That's 3 for the interview. Why is it so far away? I had enough for this.
3. All right, so we just got to, it says Royal Pacific Loews. About 45 minutes ago, we're checked in. It's almost 10 in the morning. Our room is actually ready. So Buddy and Abby are getting the luggage while me and Haley are trying to find our room. And of course, it's gonna be the farthest from the elevator.
Oh, we're going to the last room. What on earth?
I'm not gonna speed past you. All right, we're literally the last room. So you think this is ours?
I mean, you did say 3, 4, 3, 7.
Yes. Oh, it smells so good. Come on in.
I'm killing myself.
So it looks like exactly like the last 3 rooms we stayed at here, but it is super nice. Oh, we actually have a nicer view this time. We've never had, I mean, it's with the water. So Haley's not thrilled.
I don't know why we're filming right now.
All right, let's get the AC turned on because it's hot in here.
I want to walk, I'm scared.
Yeah, this looks exactly like the last 2 rooms we stayed in. But I mean, it's been at this hotel. We like this hotel. So it's the Royal Pacific Loews. All right, so we're here. So as soon as I get here with the luggage, we're gonna go to Universal.
What is the Wi-Fi?
All right, this is the lobby. We're gonna go on the gift shop real quick and get lanyards. I'm driving Haley crazy. Yes, it will.
Shush. I'm coming in.
Alright, we're just looking at them. There's some Harry Potter ones over there.
Okay.
I got it. Oh, which way do you want there? Oh, did you want to look at sunglasses real quick too?
Just don't put them in there like that. Pardon me.
Oh, it's a Jaws one. I don't want a Jaws
Came
one.
in those stack trays.
King Power.
Cardboard trays, so I just locked the cardboard trays and
You know, we've been on this boat right before. I don't know why you recorded.
We've pretty much been on everything over here, so there's a lot left. gross.
You what? It's your birthday?
I snapped Jill.